Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we'll take a look at the daily charts for both Nifty and Bank Nifty and we'll see how the market played today on day 1 of April, that is April Fool's Day. And we'll also take a look at how we can trade the market tomorrow for both Nifty and Bank Nifty and what are the key levels to watch out for. But before that, a small disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty chart, a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, today's candle is a very small doji candle. So let me enlarge this chart to show you where that candle is. So as you can see here, this is the candle that has been formed today. One of the good things about today's candle is that it has managed to close above the middle of the purple channel, which is where yesterday's close was nearby. So today the market opened with a huge gap up, and after that we saw the price go up and then it came down again and managed to close somewhere near the lows, not exactly close to the lows but near the lows. And the candle that we have is a indecision candle or a doji candle, or in other words you can call this as a gravestone doji candle as well, right? uh, and the key levels based on that are 22,422 on the lower side and 22,533 on the upper side. Now the level 22,533, or rather 22,522 to 22,533, that level has been tested 4 times. So if you see this, right, if you see this, on 7th March, the high was 22,525. On 11th March, the high was 22,526. Yesterday, that is, I mean, yes, the last trading day of March, that is on 28th, the high was 22,516, and today the high was 22,529. So within this range of say 20-30 points, we have seen Nifty trade and touch those points. So this level has become weak according to me. So 22,533, or rather 22,500 to 22,533 is now a weak resistance, and anytime and any day when it breaks, uh, we are sure to see a good upside. The upside could be tomorrow, because tomorrow happens to be a day before Bank Nifty expiry. So today actually, currently it's 2:15 in the night that I'm making the video. So today is what, Tuesday, right? Yeah, so Tuesday. So today happens to be the day before Bank Nifty expiry, and we can see some movement on Bank Nifty, and corresponding movement is possible on Nifty as well. However, what I would expect is for Nifty to consolidate one more day with maybe a doji candle or maybe a slightly red candle, a small bodied red candle, so that on Wednesday, when it's a Bank Nifty expiry, that's the day when uh, it's the previous day to Nifty expiry. That's when we can see a single one-sided move on either side. Momentum is towards the upper side, that is towards bullishness. So I would expect the movement to continue on the upside. So the key levels, as I mentioned, are 22,533. If the level 22,533 breaks tomorrow, then in that case, the next key level to watch out for would be 22,550, which is the nearest level, but 22,600 will then be the uh, level where we can book our first set of profits or initial profits. And the the chances are high that it will retest the top of this purple channel, which happens to be at around 22,7 22 levels, right? 22,7 22 levels. But that may not happen tomorrow itself, in case if 22,533 breaks tomorrow. However, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we may see this level retested, 22,7 22. If tomorrow we have a doji candle or a slightly red, small bodied red candle, right? Let's take a look at 50 minutes chart to see how Nifty actually played today. So Nifty, as I said, opened with a gap up opening, but the entire movement was a sideways, totally, completely sideways movement. Today's market was more for a option seller, not much for option buyer there. I would expect tomorrow as well, the market to stay similar in a sideways movement. And day after that, day after tomorrow is what I would expect, a one-sided move either on the upside or on the downside, with higher probability on the upside, right? Let's quickly take a look at Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty yesterday had taken a huge resistance at the middle of the purple channel, as you can see here, this bigger wick. But today, the market opened with a huge gap up, and maybe because of that, there was a short covering rally which was seen, and after that, the price managed to close above the middle of the purple channel, right? So, if you see here, this is the middle line, the middle of the purple channel, and this is where the close is, right? So Bank Nifty has managed to close above the middle of the purple channel, and now that opens up the top of the purple channel as the new targets for us. However, in between there is this black channel that we have been talking about on a monthly time frame, which may act as a resistance as well. So this would be the immediate level to watch out for. So for tomorrow, the key levels to watch out for would be 47,655 on the upper side and 47,366 on the lower side. Now, if 47,655 breaks, then in that case, the next level that we may the next level that may be tested would be somewhere around 47,999. So that's roughly around 48,000. So if tomorrow 47,655 level breaks, then in that case we are in for a 48,000 level retest as well. On the lower side, 47,366 would be a crucial level to watch out for. If the price breaks below that, then in that case the next target for us would be 47,122 on the lower side, and below that 47,000 will act as a support, which is also a psychological level. Let's take a look at 15 minutes chart to see how Bank Nifty traded today. So unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty also showed more of a sideways movement, but the but still there was some bullishness, because as you can see here, the close here is 47,558 as per this candle. However, the actual close based on the adjustments and everything, it is actually 47,578, right? So 20-30 points up. So all in all, I think it was a sideways day for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Not a good day for option buyers, but more for option sellers. Tomorrow again, I would expect Bank Nifty to show some movement, some single one-sided movement either on the upside or on the downside. The chances are pretty high for the upside move, and we may retest the 48,000 levels tomorrow. That is completely possible. And even on expiry, this level 48,000 may be retested or maybe even taken out, right? So that's for Bank Nifty. Let's quickly take a look at Dow Jones as well to see how Dow Jones is trading. Okay, so surprisingly, Dow Jones is trading negatively, and this is a very big negative candle. Now I'm not sure why this is so, because there might be some news around because of which this particular red candle has happened. I was expecting a bullish candle, but currently what it seems to be is a bearish candle formation, and just 19 minutes left for this day close. So this candle is going to be a bearish Morubozu candle definitely. But tomorrow's candle, the next candle that starts after a couple of hours and will be continuing till our market start, that will also define how the market will play tomorrow, whether it will open with a gap up or a gap down, or whether it will open flat. Now the indication through this is that we may experience a gap down opening or a flat opening. Now the key level, as I had mentioned yesterday, is 39,655 for Dow Jones. Now this is the level, right? 39,655. So if the next candle is going to trade below this or close below this, then in that case we may expect a further downfall till the levels 39,000, which is roughly around 600 to 700 points fall. Now this 600 to 700 points fall on Dow Jones will definitely have its ripple effect on global markets across, as well as on Indian markets, right? And we may experience some negative sentiment in the Indian markets as well. Current sentiment in Indian market is totally positive, and we have been seeing gap up openings as well as the bulls are taking the price higher. However, with this red bearish candle, I think we may see uh, a gap down opening or a flat opening tomorrow, and we may see a red candle formation tomorrow, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you are able to take trade, whether you are able to make profits or book losses. And also like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.